I'm in the street, I hear
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga? Where your grandma stay, my nigga?
Hello, my name is Monib Ahmed and I am a student of electrical engineering. Today the project I am going to demonstrate in front of you is only about the home automation. Home automation is nothing but to control our home appliances like TV, fridge, fan, lights, etc. using unconventional ways. Unconventional way like your mobiles, your computers, your remote control, just in a way you control your TVs to increase the volume or to change the channels. The purpose why we are going to do so is to provide the ease to the people who are disabled and are unable to move from the place where they are sitting in order to on and off the switch manually. Thus, in order to do so, we use different approaches to control our appliances. The one I am going to use here is the home automation using the MATLAB. MATLAB is actually a software in our computer. It's a heavy one you can use to control the home appliances along with the Arduino IDE software. Arduino IDE software is actually a software which is used to control the Atmega 328 being used in the Arduino UNO. The Arduino being used in this project is the Arduino UNO. That's why I have mentioned this in our video tutorial. I will show you the hardware later. First of all, I will show you how to compile or to organize all these files in a proper way. Thus, we can use the MATLAB software in our computer to control the home appliances. So basically, if we simply describe our project, so our project is to control the home appliances using our computer or the PCs. Thus, let's see how we can control our home appliances using our PCs. Let's see how we can do so. First of all, you should have two softwares, one Arduino IDE, this one, and other MATLAB. Both of these two softwares should be installed in your computer properly. Thus, first of all, you will have to go to the files. Now here lies the code you have to burn in your Arduino. The Arduino being used is the Arduino UNO. Just copy and paste this code into Arduino IDE. We have pasted this code into Arduino IDE software, as you can see. Now compile this code in order to see is there any error in this code or not. As you can see, the software is being compiling the code. It will be done in just a second or two. Unfortunately, it is taking too long in my case. Just because of fact I have not upgraded my software. As we can see, the code is compiled completely, done compiling. Now go to tools and see if the port is port 4 or the port you have connected the Arduino. Now upload this code into Arduino. The microcontroller being used in the Arduino UNO is that Mega 328. You can also control the home appliances in many other ways using the infrared controller as well as Word Mobile, Android Mobile. Android Mobile is actually the extension of this approach. I will show you how to control the home appliances using the Android apps in the next tutorial. Now we can see the code is uploaded into the Arduino UNO. Now close this Arduino IDE software and go to now MATLAB. We should keep in mind that the MATLAB should be opened using the run as administrator, not simply open. In this way it will not operate. It's very heavy software, thus it will take a little while. It's taking too long to open, but once it will be open, it will operate normally. Now go to file. First of all, we have to synchronize our Arduino module with our MATLAB software. Thus, in order to do so, there is a file named install-arduino.m. This will do nothing but to synchronize our Arduino module with our MATLAB software. Thus, we can operate or control our Arduino UNO using MATLAB. Just open up this file. And run this file using this run install Arduino button. As we can see, Arduino folder added to the path saved update MATLAB path. It is synchronized with our Arduino. Now open the file again. there is a file named homeautomation.m. It's an M file. Arduino can be controlled using MATLAB using M file, because the MATLAB is a software which is always operated using code. Codes are always usually mostly the code are written using the M files. There is a language of MATLAB specifically. You do not have to bother your head with this type of language. You just open up this file into your MATLAB. All this file will be given in description in the YouTube tutorial. You can see there. Just run this file as you run the previous one. When you will do so, it will ask change the folder. Yes, change the folder. Now there is a graphical user interface in front of you. These are nothing but the buttons. You can control Arduino or your home appliances using these buttons: light on, light off, fan on. I have mentioned the home appliances. The appliances I am being used is the 1 watt AC bulbs, but you can connect any of the device ranging up to 7 ampere depending upon the relays you are being using. The relays I am being using is the 6 volt relays, which can support up to about 7 ampere of the current rating. That's why I can connect only a load of about 7 ampere. Here, in order to demonstrate, I am using the 3 loads, which are 3 different type, 3 colored, the same type but 3 different colored bulbs. But I have named these bulbs for devices light, fan, TV, and all on, all off. I can on or off these devices suddenly using these 2 buttons, all on manually using light on, fan on, TV on. I can manually off these buttons too using light off, fan on, and TV off, etc. And let's see how we can do so.